All right, organizing stuff into a group in the step sequencer in FL Studio. I already have some stuff that's already set into groups here, like my drums, my synths. But let's say we want to make a new group. So here we go. Let's add a few random things. Whoops, can't add that one. FL keys, rewired, and let's do layer. So let's take these three things, we want to make them into a group. I do left click on the mouse and I highlight all three of them. I can either do Alt G or I can go here, group selected, it says Alt G. And let's make a new, I'll just call it new group. And there's my group. And I can do some stuff like, for example, I can color them all. Let's do a gradient. I'll do a similar colors. And now they're all colored. And I can go back to all my groups, all my samples, or I can go to this new group, and that's how you make a group in the step sequencer.